When most people think about Microsoft Office, they think of Word or they think of Excel, and that's about it. But if you're paying for the 365 package, there are a lot more apps inside of it than just those two. In fact, there's probably apps you didn't even know existed. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of some of the most useful Microsoft 365 apps, what they do, and which ones are actually worth using. If you enjoy quick how-to videos, tech tips, and the latest in tech news, make sure to drop down below and hit that like and subscribe. Let's start with the one everybody knows, Microsoft Word. Word is still the go-to program for creating letters, resumes, reports, and just about any document you can think of. Next is Excel. Whether you're keeping track of expenses, creating a budget, organizing lists, or working with numbers, Excel is still one of the most powerful spreadsheet programs available. PowerPoint is not just for school presentations anymore. You probably remember this one. You can use it to create slideshows, family events, photo presentations, business meetings, or even simple graphics and flyers. It's great for all of the above. Next is Outlook. Outlook is much more than just email. It also includes your calendar, contacts, and your tasks, making it a great place to keep everything organized in one location. And speaking of one location, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service. Think of it kind of like a digital filing cabinet that follows you from computer to computer. You save a file over here, and now you can access it from a different phone, tablet, or another computer simply by signing into your Microsoft account and going to OneDrive there. OneNote is basically a digital notebook. It's perfect for exactly what you would think: taking notes, making checklists, saving recipes, planning trips, or keeping important information in one place. This next one is one of my favorites, and it's an app a lot of people don't realize they have: Clipchamp. This is Microsoft's built-in video editor, and it makes it easy to trim videos, add text, music, and other simple effects without having to spend money on expensive editing software. Another newer app is Microsoft Designer. It uses AI to help you create greeting cards, invitations, social media graphics, flyers, and other designs in just a few clicks. Now, there can be other apps included depending on your Microsoft 365 subscription type, like Microsoft Teams for video meetings and chatting, and Microsoft Forms for creating surveys and questionnaires. All right, everyone, now I want to hear from you. Drop down below into the comments and let me know your favorite Microsoft Office 365 application. Which one do you use the most? Or maybe there was one in this video you had never heard of and you plan on using. Let me know in the comments below and hit that like and subscribe before you leave. If you need help with your technology, if you want to learn how to use 365 applications better, or just where to find them, where to find the ones I talked about in today's video, reach out to us here at My Computer Works. We would be happy to help with that. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.